What up, G?
Someone else coming?
Nah.
I don't want your body. Need nobody.
Okay.
Is that Kelton? I don't know. What the hell? Dude, looks like there's bullet holes inside.
I wouldn't be surprised.
Fuck. Tony, bro, get a GoPro, just fucking. Bro, like, do you see all the space? And then you just get a dash cam.
I could, but like I want to be able to see me like.
Oh, I see. Bro, you can definitely, like.
Niggas are changing their images. Niggas act hard, but they ain't listen. Hop in the tank and move millities.
In there.
Find me somewhere out in.
Alright, what up, YouTube? We out here at a car meet. My boy Donnie's here with me. Say what's up, Donnie. He's too embarrassed to be on camera.
Sure.
Alright, we back here. Just had to get some drinks. Dude, it's probably gonna look like shit with it being this dark. This shit's clean right here. No, I'm talking about the beam. That's clean too, but. Oh, what is that? Is that a Jetta or a... Damn, bro. Is it a Jetta? Or it might be a Passat. I think it's a Passat.
Yeah, it's a Fahrenheit.
Oh, is that different?
No, it's a Passat.
That's probably like their like M or AMG or some shit. Damn. Look at those wheels, bro. Wait, hold up. That shit's clean. Kanjo crew. Or Kaijo. This your whip, bro? This one? Okay. The giant.
I think I saw you up there.
And this fucking skyline right here. See what time it is right here? Redo that whistle. Fuck. Take a picture, bro. I got it. God damn, bro. Maybe a 5. Oh, it's a 7. 740. Dude, this bitch probably got some heat.
She got a big ass.
Yeah, she's thick. And then everyone just starts revving.
Just the faggots, though, apparently. There's only like 2 people doing it.
Fucking Ford Ranger, Mazda Speed, and whatever the fuck that other shit was. Man, feed me, bro. See, I'm out here getting recognized already.
Oh, dude, you got that guy from YouTube, right?
Is that a fucking limo, bro?
No.
Or a Maybach?
Or no, wait, what is that? A Lexus? Honda?
That's a Maybach, yeah.
Maybach. What's the brand on it?
Maybach.
That's the brand? I never heard that. Yeah, it's a Maybach. I never heard that before.
That's a movie right there.
The door looks like it's
ride with a pistol on my hip because you never know why. But when your time's up, it can get rough in the 305. So you gotta take a job. Avoid the petty drama, the prima donnas, the deep.
I might take takes from your cubicle. Doing voodoo in the shoes, baby, got them like voodoo. They be watching like Hulu. They be watching like who knew. Who knew doing you.
Oh, well, you look with it.
Boots made up.
I'm a dick, bro. Like,
All-wheel drive. Probably an automatic.
like in
Definitely
general,
automatic.
he's just gonna gap me. But like from a dick, bro.
Together. Oh, what are you doing here? Oh my god.
He didn't even say on it about me. I don't want the smoke. I don't want the smoke, bro.
Come on, super.
Alright, I gotta take it right here.
Oh, well. You can buy things for fun and
Yeah, for real. Don't worry, Jay. I don't want no smoke. Unless you want to give it to me.
It's like, I
Ah, fuck! Ah, fuck, dude! Oh, fuck, now I gotta do this shit. God damn it. Dude, I put it on my bitch, dude. Oh, that fucking stings, bro.
Can someone do it to me? Because I can't force myself. I'll do it to you, bro. I can do it to you.
Don't tase him for more than one second. I got you. I won't do it like overpowered. I won't be a dick. Come over here. The fuck away from me.
Someone has a death
Dude, my fucking leg hurts. Yeah, it hurts.
That's why you don't want to get tased.
Stop being a bitch. Just get. Oh my god, Donnie. Stop being a bitch, dude. I'll get you in the thigh. It doesn't even hurt. It doesn't hurt, Donnie. It doesn't hurt at all. You know what the funny thing is? I didn't even press it until I took it off his leg.
No.
Yo, come on, Ty, we're all doing it.
No more tasers.
Oh, why not?
No more tasers.
I'm gonna wait till you have like, your
Boys,
pocket
bro.
log and your keychain presses.
Look at his leg. Only I can turn it on, brother. The light turns on, but nothing else does.